You're being played. Every time you watch one of those AI videos on TikTok, you're making someone else rich. And they all use this one advantage.
This ability.
To be anyone.
To create anything.
Today, I break their code wide open. If you've spent even 5 minutes on TikTok lately, you've seen these videos. Talking animals, rapping toddlers. You laugh and keep scrolling. But you're not just watching a funny video, you're looking at a cash machine. Take this video right here. A newborn baby giving a speech. Sounds ridiculous, right? This single video got 10 million views. Through the creativity program on TikTok, creators can earn anywhere from $400 to $1,000 per million views. That means this one video earned an estimated $5,000 to $10,000. This one hit 8 million views. That's another $4,000 to $8,000 in the creator's pocket. And the wildest part, there was no team behind this. The only employee needed was the AI. The entire thing was built in under 30 minutes. So you've got a choice. You can keep watching these videos make other people rich, or you can start making them yourself. So let's build one. And the very first step is nailing the idea.
A bad idea with a great tool is still a bad video. The top creators all know this. Your idea needs to be either unexpectedly smart or unexpectedly emotional. Don't just make a talking animal. Make an animal that says something nobody would ever expect. That's what gets shared. That's what gets paid. Okay, so you have a great idea, but if the video looks cheap, it doesn't matter. Bad lip sync and creepy avatars get scrolled past instantly. That's why you need a tool that actually delivers quality. For me, that tool is Kling AI. The lip sync is on point, the avatars feel real, and most importantly, it doesn't look fake. Let me show you exactly how to make one of these videos. First, you go to Kling AI's platform. I've got the link in the description if you want to follow along.
All right, once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for All Tools in the menu and click it. Now you'll see a bunch of different features here. Video generation, image creation, all kinds of cool stuff. But for what we're doing today, we only need avatar. So click on avatar. Perfect. Now you're in the avatar section. You'll see two options here, build avatar and lip sync. We want build avatar. So look at this, 3 ways to add your character. You can use their presets, upload your own image, or generate with AI. Let's generate our own first. Click AI image. All right, so first pick gender. I'm going with male. Next is age, children, obviously. For skin tone, pick whatever works for your content. Now, here's the important part, the description box. This is where you describe exactly what you want. So let me type this. Photorealistic baby boy, 6 months old, arms crossed, angry face, sitting on bed, grandmother in the background looking embarrassed. Bedroom setting, natural lighting. For aspect ratio, since it's for TikTok, let's go 9:16. Click generate. In about 30 seconds, you'll get 4 options. I'm going to choose this little guy right here. Perfect. Now that we have our character, let's add our script. For this example, let's make a baby giving family advice. Here's what I'm using. Granny, stop acting like my manager. You already failed with your kids. Brutal but hilarious coming from a baby, right? Now let's set up the voice. For voice selection, I'm choosing kid. You can test them by hitting play to find one you like. For emotion, I'm going with angry since that matches our whole vibe. Now for the avatar action, this part is cool. Kling AI actually reads your script and automatically suggests actions that fit the attitude. So since our script is an angry baby, it'll create movements that match the attitude. You can use their auto action, write your own custom prompt, or just hit regenerate for a new one. I'm keeping this to just one output to save on credits. You can always generate more later if you need different versions. Hit generate, and here's what the finished video looks like.
Granny, stop acting like my manager. You already failed with your kids.
So this video looks great, but there's one issue. It's only 6 seconds long. For TikTok's creativity program, you need at least 1 minute to qualify for monetization. Good news though, Kling AI can actually generate videos up to 1 minute long. I'll show you that in a second. But check out this compilation approach. It's actually performing better than single scenarios because you get more variety. Here's how you create that. I've spent weeks perfecting this AI prompt that generates hilarious baby thinks he's an adult scripts, the kind that blow up on TikTok. I've put the complete prompt system in the description below. It's completely free. Just copy the entire prompt, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, hit generate, and boom, you'll get 10 different viral scripts, plus photorealistic image prompts, plus video direction for each scene. So like I showed you before, generate each video separately using the same process, then edit them together into one compilation. Boom, you've got a minute-long viral video that hits all the algorithm triggers.
All right, now let me show you how to create a complete 1-minute viral video. Already is simple. A baby wakes up and starts angrily complaining about the fake teeth pacifier he finds in his mouth. First, we need the main character. For this, I use the Nano Banana feature in Google Gemini because it's great at keeping a character consistent across different images. I'll upload a reference photo of the fake teeth pacifier, then prompt it to generate a 6-month-old baby with an angry expression wearing a pink Daddy's Little Princess t-shirt and holding that pacifier. Next, I take this image to Kling AI. In the speech section, I'll add my pre-written 1-minute script of the baby's angry monologue. It's relatable for parents and funny enough to keep people watching. By the way, I'm putting a 1-minute script generated prompt in the description below if you want to try it yourself. Let me generate this now, and here's what we get.
I'm done. I'm so done with y'all. First, you name me Bradenley or whatever the hell that is. Then, you dress me in clothes that say Daddy's Little Princess, I'm a boy. Do I look like a princess to you? And now, you have the audacity to put these busted-ass teeth in my mouth.
The lip sync is perfect, and the emotion is spot on. This is the core of our viral video. But to make the story crystal clear from the very first second, we need a before shot. I'll go back to Google Gemini and upload the generated image as a reference. Then I'll prompt it to generate the same exact baby sleeping peacefully with the pacifier in his mouth. Once Gemini generates that perfect sleeping image, I'll download it. Now in the video editor, I'll add this sleeping baby image as a small picture-in-picture overlay in the corner. This instantly tells the viewer the whole story. He was sleeping with this thing, now he's awake and furious about it. That quick understanding is what makes content go viral. The best part, this whole process took less than 10 minutes, but it has everything the algorithm loves.
Here's another case example showing how you can dominate any viral trend before everyone catches on. I spotted this trend early, people telling their dogs, "I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog," and filming their reaction. Most videos just show confused dogs tilting their heads.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
Everyone's making the same predictable content. I saw an opportunity to flip this completely. I copied the video link and downloaded it watermark-free using tickmate.io. Then I screenshotted the exact moment when the dog gives that confused reaction. You know, that perfect, "what did you just say?" expression. I uploaded that screenshot to Kling AI with something nobody expected. What if the dog actually responds? So I wrote this script. Wow, out of pizza, burgers, chicken wings, literally everything, and you land on me? That's racism against dogs. Here's what Kling AI generated.
Wow. Out of pizza, burgers, chicken wings, literally everything, and you land on me? That's racism against dogs.
Perfect. Now I combine both videos, original owner's joke, normal confused reaction, then boom, the dog talks back.
Bruh, I'm so hungry, I could eat a damn dog.
Wow. Out of pizza, burgers, chicken wings, literally everything, and you land on me? That's racism against dogs.
This became the version everyone shared because it delivered a punchline nobody saw coming. The key is being first to the twist. While others copy, you own the elevated version. To hit the 1-minute requirement, write longer scripts or compile multiple trending videos with AI responses. 3 dog reactions with comebacks equals instant viral compilation. Look, I just showed you 3 totally different ways to do this: baby rants, dog comebacks, and viral remixes. But they all use the same powerful idea. Take what's already working, add your AI twist, and boom, you create content people can't ignore. Now, about the pricing.
Kling AI is about $7 a month to start. Honestly, that's pretty cheap compared to other tools out there. Plus, you get free credits to test it out before you spend anything. Here's the real secret. The creators making money aren't posting when they feel like it. They're showing up 3-4 times a week with solid content. TikTok rewards that consistency. While everyone's stuck on camera angles, smart creators are already getting paid using these methods. If this helped you and you want me to break down even crazier strategies, just comment more below. Stop watching other people win. Start building your own. God bless, and I'll catch you in the next one.